All right, what's up, everybody? How are you doing? Hope that all of you are well and having a wonderful time. My name is Porosh, and in today's video, I am going to talk about something really important that will work for you. So, if you are someone who wants to learn English but feels confused about where to start, then don't worry, you are not alone. So many people struggle with learning English because they don't know the right approach. Some people start learning big grammar rules and get frustrated. Others try to memorize thousands of words, still can't make sentences. So the truth is here, you don't need to know everything at once. In today's video, I will share 5 most important basics you need to learn English easily and effectively. If you focus on this, you will improve step by step, and you will gain the confidence to speak English fluently. But before going to our main topic, one additional thing that I want to tell you is I am not a very good English speaker. I am trying to learn English, and also always I try to share my own ideas with people. And I am learning English at the same time I am trying to help others to learn it too. And when I think about this, my heart fills with joy and satisfaction. That's why I'm so happy that I can speak English little bit now and I can express myself in a better way. So without further ado, let's get started, and it's time to focus on our main topic. So the first step is vocabulary. Words are the foundation of any language. So at first you have to focus on vocabularies. If you don't know enough words, then think how you can able to express yourself. So that's why it's very important to learn some simple and common words at first. So if you are a beginner, if you are looking for some tips in order to improve your English, then I will suggest you to learn some common and simple words. The best way to learn words is you have to learn 5 or 10 new words in a day, and also you need to use them later in your conversation. It's really a great way to improve your vocabularies. So try to follow this way. It will work for you because it has been working for me since when I started my journey. I started doing this. That's why I'm getting result. As you can see, I'm being able to speak in English in a better way, although I'm not fluent. So you have to focus how you can learn few new words in a day. This will work for you. So this is our first thing, and let's move to our next one. Our next one is basic grammar. So many people tell that, okay, I'm going to learn spoken English, so it doesn't matter whether my grammar is strong or weak. Yeah, it's true, but still you need to know some basic grammars, things like tenses, prepositions, modal verbs, parts of speech. These things are really important in our spoken English. If you have some good ideas about these things, it will really help you a lot to speak in English. So at first you don't need to learn advanced grammar, or you don't need to know advanced grammar. You just need to know some basic rules of grammar, and you need to speak a lot. And when you are speaking, never ever try to think about grammars. Okay, just try to speak. This is very simple, and you don't need to know lots of grammar items. As I said, just try to focus 5 or 6 items at first. So this is our second thing, and let's move to our third thing. Our third thing is sentence making structure. So many learners or co-learners, they know words, they have a strong idea about grammars, but still they are unable to make sentences. Now the question is, why does it happen? It happens because every sentence follows a simple structure, but most of us, we don't know that structure. That's why we are not being able to make sentences. So here I can give you one suggestion is you have to learn at least 5 sentence making structures in a day, and later you have to practice with these things a lot. Only then you will see your progress, and later you will be able to make sentences with this structure. So try to learn few structures in a day and try to use them when you are speaking. This is very simple way to start learning English. So this is our third thing, and let's move to our fourth thing. Our fourth thing is really important because in our fourth thing we have speaking and listening. Sorry, listening and speaking. Yeah, listening and speaking are the most important parts for spoken English. If you listen a lot, you will be able to improve your pronunciation. You will be familiar with new words, new sentences. So try to listen as much as you can. Here I can give you my own example, my own learning example. When I was beginner, I used to listen a lot. Throughout the day, I was just feeding my brain. That's why now I am being able to express my ideas in front of you. Now I don't need to force my brain to tell you these things. my brain automatically supplies me these things. That's why I'm being able to share my own ideas in front of people. So you have to listen a lot. When you listen a lot, as I said, you will be able to improve your pronunciation, you will be able to know new words, new sentence structures, new sentences. So that's why it's very, very important. And also speaking is very, very important, because we are learning spoken English and we are learning English for speaking. So that's why it's very important. So we have to focus how we can speak a lot. So if you want, you can make some online friends with whom you can share your language experience, you can share your own ideas. So try to make some good friends with whom you can practice English every single day. Okay, this will really work for you. And also, if you want, you can follow the mirror technique. You can go in front of the mirror and you can share, you can express yourself, you can express your thoughts. These are the, I mean, very simple way to start practicing English. Speaking is really, really important. If you don't speak, you won't see your progress. So I can tell you that the more you speak, the more you will improve. So don't try to procrastinate when it comes to speaking. When it comes to speak, just try to speak a lot. This will work for you, because it has been working for me. So this is our fourth thing, and let's move to our fifth and final thing. Our fifth and final thing is reading and writing. Reading and writing will help you to understand English in a better way. When you are reading, when you read a lot, you will be able to familiar with new words, and you are watching that how grammar is used in context based. So that's why reading is so important. And most of us, we spend lots of time on social medias. So when you are scrolling social medias, I can suggest you one thing here, that try to read some English articles, English blogs. It will help you a lot to see how tenses or how grammars is used. So try to do this. And also, if you want, you can write down whatever you are learning. This is really, really important. Reading and writing also a very, very important and crucial part for our spoken English. So these are my video's point. I already shared with you 5 easy things, or 5 most important basic things that we need in order to improve our English. So if you are trying to improve your English, try to follow these ways, and I hope my ideas can be followed by you. And if you follow these things, you will be able to express yourself, you will be able to speak English. But you have to follow these things, and you need to create a strong mentality to learn English. If you have a strong mindset, if you create a strong why, then you will be able to make all the things happen. But if your why is not strong, then you will give up too soon, and then it will become more harder for you to improve your English. So try to create a strong mentality and mindset, because these two things is really important for our spoken English. So if I summarize my videos, the first thing was vocabulary. Vocabulary is really, really important. Try to learn some simple and common vocabularies. And next thing was basic grammars. Things like tenses, parts of speech, prepositions, modal verbs are really, really important for spoken English. And our third thing was you have to learn some common speaking structures. I mean, spoken structures. Structures are also very important. And our fourth thing was speaking and listening. These two things is really, really important, most crucial. So try to listen a lot, also try to speak a lot. Make some online friends and try to speak with them every single day, okay, without any gap. And our last things was reading and writing. Reading and writing also very, very important. If you follow all the things, I hope within a very short time you will get a positive result. But the last thing that I want to tell you before finishing this video is, if we are living in a negative society but still we are accepting some positive results, it never ever going to happen. You have to create a positive environment around yourself, and only then you will see positive results. So try to create an environment from where you can learn, from where you can improve. Okay, try to listen a lot and try to speak a lot. This will work for you. So this has been my video's point, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I am recording this video at Shonakanda, which is located at Bondor in Naranganj. And this is, I mean, it's really a hot day. Just have a look, the sun is burning. So that's why I am here. I was supposed to make this video over there, but I could not make it because of the sunshine, and my camera quality is not good. That's why I am here under this massive beautiful tree where I am recording this video at present. So if you found this video helpful and beneficial, Don't forget to like, comments, and share. And if you want, you can subscribe my channel. It will be a great thing for me. Every day I'm trying to share my own ideas with my brothers and sisters, and I hope my ideas will be helpful for all of you. Okay, so today one more thing. My younger brother Rifat is also with us. Hey Rifat, say hi. And nowadays we have been visiting so many new places, and recently Rifat also started learning English. He is also making English videos, and that's why I'm so happy that I am being able to inspire people like him. And he started his own journey just maybe a week earlier, and he is doing great. So if you want, you can take inspiration from me. I am trying to learn English alone. I am trying to learn English by myself, and I am trying to share my ideas. So if you start your journey from today, after a certain time of period, you will get the positive result. Okay, so that's all for today. The video is getting longer, and I don't want to make it more longer. Thank you so much for watching the full video. See you in the next time. Till then, have a great day. Take care of yourself, and bye for now.